Taiwan, September 18, 2022. A powerful earthquake that strikes southeast Taiwan causes bridges and buildings to fall or sustain significant damage. The earthquake that occurred on Sunday was recorded by the USGS as having a magnitude of 7.2 and a depth of 10 kilometers, 6 miles. The epicenter of the quake was 85 kilometers, 53 miles, east of Yujing District in Taiwan. The strong earthquake followed a series of aftershocks that hit the self-governing island off China's east coast. According to Taiwan's fire department, 3 persons whose vehicle went off a damaged bridge were also recovered and sent to the hospital, while all 4 people were saved from a structure holding a convenience store that collapsed in Yuli. At Dongli Station in eastern Taiwan, the Taiwan Railways Administration reported that 6 carriages came off the tracks after a portion of the platform roof collapsed, although the fire department reported no injuries. Although there were no reported casualties and rescuers were attempting to reopen the roads, the department reported that more than 600 people were stuck by blocked roads in the gorgeous Chaik and Liashishi mountain districts. After the earthquake, the U.S. Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued a warning for Taiwan, but later canceled the notice. The tsunami warning for a portion of Okinawa Prefecture been cancelled by the Japanese Weather Service. Buildings in the island's capital, Taipei, briefly swayed, and the island has continued to tremble from aftershocks. Major semiconductor plants are located in the southern cities of Tainan and Kaohsiung, where science parks claim there is little operational impact.
整个桥都断了啦，现在是怕说桥。
The largest contract chip manufacturer in the world, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, stated that there was no known significant impact for now. Due to its location at the meeting point of two tectonic plates, Taiwan is highly vulnerable to earthquakes. In 2016, a quake in southern Taiwan claimed the lives of over 100 people, but a 7.3 magnitude quake in 1999 claimed the lives of over 2,000 people.
This is the biggest one we felt yet. This is definitely the biggest one we felt yet. It's still going, still shaking. Still shaking. Oh. Wow. Huh.
哎，那个 7有没有人呐？
桥都断掉了啊，这个都整个都垮掉。我看不要过去等一下可能还有余震呢。
那边断掉、
全部都断掉啊！现在怕桥上的车子啊